Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Y'all know what time it is. Look, this is how it looks when you wake up early in the morning and you got your ugly on, but you're hungry. So it's Sunday morning. I'm gonna fix us a little breakfast for two. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna start off with these here potatoes that I washed off. I'm gonna go ahead and just pretty much just get the skin off of them and start dicing these babies, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll on to the next level. This is really what it looked like when you're starting off early in the morning. Let's go, y'all. I'm just gonna take the potato and basically just cut it up in some more chunks. Y'all know where we're going with this one. That's all I want right here. So I'm gonna do the rest of them just like this. Let's go. Got a red and an orange bell pepper. Only thing I want to do is cut a section off of each. Get about 2 sections cut. And move these to the side. And I ain't too worried about the seeds being on the board. It's early in the morning. And I just want to go ahead and chop these. So I give them a slice, and then I'll stack them together, and then I'll cross section the cut. Now I want to take me an onion. I left the root on just so I could keep it intact. I'm gonna chop the onion. Take my knife. Just want to go across 2 times. And then I want to come down this way. Turn it around. Give it a nice chop. Give me some good onion dices. I'm gonna take some of this here smoked sausage. You just want to cut these into quarters. First thing I want to do is just brown up my sausages. I'm just going to throw in a little bit of flavored oil. Some people say you don't have to throw oil in your sausage. Sausage make its own grease. Hey, that's what you do. That's what you do. Now I want to go ahead and remove them from the pan. We got them browned the way I like them. You might want yours a little bit more lighter than mine, but this is how I like it. So in this same pan, I'm going to turn down my heat to low. I'm going to toss in my potatoes. I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of salt because that sausage already got some salt in that pan. Just a little bit. Then I want to hit it with some black pepper. And then I'm going to use some of this here spicy seasoning. And I'm going to give me some butter to put in here real quick. Just want to take about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to add my peppers and onions. Now I'm going to turn my heat up to medium-high heat. And now I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter. And I just want this to cook for at least around about a good 15 to to 20 minutes until my potatoes are tender and my vegetables are tender as well. Then I go to the next step. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some of this here Goya Sofrito in it. This is a tomato cooking base. It has like green peppers, onions, cilantro, some garlic, and it's in olive oil. This is some good stuff, y'all. Trust and believe me, it really is. All I want to do is just put about 1 tablespoon. Well, let's go with 2. Now I just want to mix this right on in. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my sausages. If you feel like you need to add just a little water to it so it'll help it steam up, just add just about a couple of tablespoons of water and that should be enough. But it's done whenever your potatoes gets tender. So I'm gonna put a lid back on it, continue to let it cook until the potatoes are tender. Okay, y'all, so I already done fixed my wife a plate. She don't eat bread, so I didn't fix me no toast or nothing like that, but the breakfast potatoes are done. As you can see, they're looking all colorful, and I tell you, the aroma, it smells real good. So what I'm having with these breakfast sausages, I got me some scrambled eggs with some cheese, and I just love the pepper. And I got 3 links up in there. And then I'm gonna take me a scoop of these. Nice scoop of these here breakfast potatoes. Put them right over there. And what the other thing that I do have to go with this, I made me some pancakes, so this is what I'm having, y'all, for breakfast. Got me some links, and these are my eggs with the breakfast potatoes, couple of links. So just want to take this here and drizzle it down with some, ooh yeah. Get her, this how I like it. These are my pancakes. Thick boy too. Thick boy pancake. With 3 links sitting on top of it. So this is breakfast. Try these breakfast potatoes out. I guarantee you're gonna love it. No joke.